Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch YouTube TV on your iPhone. So make sure to follow this process. The first thing is just open your App Store and from here just go to the search section and search here YouTube TV. And once you search this down like YouTube TV, you will be seeing this application at the top. As you can see, here is the YouTube TV, and I am able to download it, get it, or like do whatever I want. But let's say you're not able to see the YouTube TV on the first top of the list. So what you can do is just click on your profile, again click on your profile, and after that just wait and enter your password. And let me just enter my password. And once you enter your password, after that what you can do is just change your region to United States. As you know that YouTube TV is officially available in only United States, so make sure to change your region to United States, and after that you will be able to get it. As you can see, my country region is selected as United States, so make sure to change it to United States, and after that you will be able to download YouTube TV on your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.